Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Brighton's Belly of Learning. Today I'm going to post in English and my video will be in English, so do watch my video till the end. The video will be unboxing a product that I ordered online in Amazon website. So guys, do watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post any updates. Also, you can type a comment and tell me what are the things you'd like to share with me, or something you have to say, you say in the comment box. And if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button. Also, if you are willing to share to your loved ones or someone special to you or somebody well wishers of yours, please share my video to them. So let's go, enjoy the video. Friends, this is the product I'm going to unbox. This is a Frontech LED monitor, 50.80 cm monitor that I ordered on Amazon, and then I just received it from delivery boy. Since my recent old monitor is not usable anymore, so this is the old monitor I had, and it has a slight line mark in the middle of the display, so it is not working anymore, so I have ordered new one. All of a sudden my monitor was defective, so I didn't have a budget for the monitor, so I bought a low budget monitor, and this is it. The properties are, it is a LED monitor and it has a display of 16:9 ratio, and it has a level mark here. The price of this MRP is 8,000, but I bought this for just 3,000 rupees from Amazon. And then you can see the price here, price mark, and the year of manufacturing year. It was manufactured in February 2024, and the month and year of import was February 2024, and it was produced in the country China. Then the display is 16:9, and it has dual input. One is for VGA cable and one is for HDMI cable. Friends, this is the invoice and the billing address, which has been shifted to me from Bangalore, India, and I received this, and these are all the GST vouchers and bills, original cost price and everything. Now let us unpack the product. Let's open from this side, and we have two openings here. Let's open this, unbox this. It is very difficult to open with one hand, since I'm handling a camera on the other side, so it has become quite difficult for me, but we are able to open it, and this is what it looks like from inside. You can see the monitor inside and the accessories that are apart. This is VGA cable, I guess, most probably HDMI cable, and this is the power cable which they are providing. And there is this is most probably the stand. It is dismantled for the first time. And now let us see what is inside the box. Let us pull it out with utmost caution. So I'm trying to connect the stand and trying to feed it to the desktop. I'm looking through the manual book that the seller has provided me, and I'm trying to fix it. So friends, we have finally fitted the stand back in the back of the monitor, and it has been done, and you can adjust the position as you want. Now let us put it on the table and do the connection with the PC. Let us connect the VGA cable and then the power cable and everything, and let's check it out. all the connections are ready and just need to put the power supply. So I started to switch it on, and then after switching it on, the last part is very tragic, and you can see friends, because see the display is broken. You can see it clearly, the display is broken. Very moment I feel very sorry for the product, because I had to pay for it and I paid the money, and after receiving it is broken, and then I feel a little bit upset. This is the reason I made it in a voiceover English. What next will be the tutorial video for you coming soon, so guys stay tuned in my channel and you'll come to know what to do if you receive the broken or a defective product like this, and why this happened, and what are the probable reasons these things happens. I will explain everything in the next video, so I'd like everyone watching this video to stay tuned in my channel and wait for the next video to come. So guys, don't be too much upset, because I'm going to replace it and you will get to know that the second product will be very good and with clear display. This time it has a very sad ending. I'm feeling very sad and unhappy because I ordered it for valuable amount. Guys, this is me standing and staring at the display. Oh, how come? After some time, I started to repack it so that I can return the product, and then I can get the replacement as soon as possible. So I started dismantling the connected PC, and then trying to pack it as it was, so that I can send it back to the seller and then I can get the new one. Since I had a replacement for of 10 days, so I can apply for a replacement or return, but I'm not going to apply for return, because if you apply for return you'll get back the money but you'll not get the PC. So I opted for replacement. That means I need a different monitor in place of this. So I apply for replacement, and then let's see in the next video how I unbox the new one, and then what does it takes to replace, or how does you replace a product. So guys, stay tuned in my channel to learn more about it. Thank you friends for watching my video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and consider pressing the bell icon. Thank you.